Welcome back! We have learned how to say, I want to drink some water. But what if you would like to drink some milk? Let's learn how to say milk in Chinese. 牛奶. Please repeat after me. 牛奶牛奶牛奶 Let's do it a little bit faster. 牛奶牛奶牛奶 In this practice, we're going to fill in the blank with water and then milk. We're going to say them slowly twice and then faster twice. Please repeat after me. 我想喝点水。我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点牛奶。Now, let's say it faster. 我想喝点水。我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点牛奶。Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见。I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.